Shy Shy is reading her book. Come on, you show everybody how you read your book. Show everybody how you read your book. Where's the puppy's fluffy tummy? Where? Where? You turn the page. You turn the page. Turn the page, Shy Shy. Turn the page. There. Where's the fluffy tummy? How about the silky ears? You turn the page. You turn the page. You show everybody. You turn the page. You turn. Turn the page. Turn. Yeah, there. The woolly slipper. No, not yet. We're not yet finished. There. What's that? Is that the rubber ball? Yes. You read. And then on the next page, your favorite. On the next page. There. Puppy's noses. You touch the puppy's noses. Yay! Very good. Okay, finish na. You close the book. Close the book. Oh, close your book na. Close your book, Shy Shy. You close your book. There. Finish. The end.